Hello happy souls, this is about Suzuki Max Standard or Revamp, and these are all the chapters which I have covered for the restoration purpose, and this is exclusively about chapter 11 unboxing. In that we are in part 6 unboxing the screw kit, and talking about the brand name, it is mentioned as Titli Rishi Mechworks Ludhiana in Punjab, and the price is rupees 112. I bought in Chennai in the year 2022, and this is a complete kit for your engine. Below the cylinder parts are like LH, RH and the mid part, mating part. You can use this complete screw kit, and like carburetor and other things, the mounting screws are not available. This is only for the engine side except the cylinder, and you may have confusion in choosing the screws, like which comes the LH, which comes for the RH and other things. That is, these are all mentioned clearly and explained clearly in my assembling video. Please check out that, and for more videos you can see the playlist and also the description, and goodbye and see you in another video. Thank you.